wanna do it all with you by my side. If you're in, meet me here tonight. Be brave and come along, I'll be your ride. Promise we don't need no brake lights. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that, this or that, evenings on the train or catch a morning flight, enjoying dinner until midnight, or bed by night. This or I wanna see it all, find the northern lights, see the stars in the open wild, catch a glimpse of Panama. We don't need a map, I'll let you know when we've arrived, yeah. We can travel the world, so just say yes. Choose to do whatever comes next. This or that, getting drunk on whiskey on a Tuesday night, or drinking red wine by an open fire, make love or fight. This or that.
I was close enough to Kaycee to know that when she met Shawn and told me about him, that he was a pretty special person.
He also made the decision to pick Kaycee because he knows that she will be there forever.
Kaycee, by far the happiest person I know.
After getting to know Shawn and spending time with the two of them, watching their love story unfold, it's easy to see that they are meant to be together and they bring so much joy and happiness to each other's lives.
Her infectious personality naturally brings those up around her.
So I hope that all day, every day, you guys love each other, take care of each other, and make everybody around you happy along with yourselves.
Welcome, friends and family and loved ones. Thank you for being here today as we celebrate Shawn and Kaycee joining hands in marriage. We're here to laugh with them. Some of you are here to cry and may have already started. But most of all, we're here to wish them well as they begin their new life together. I've been fortunate to be around for many of their milestones in their relationship. That first spark, that first day, June 1st, 2018, I looked it up. And at that time, you kind of knew that something might be coming of this. And if I remember right, your first date was the week after that at Junebug Days, of all things. Flash forward to when Shawn told me he was going to propose. Just 30 plus friends and family, a video, music, small, simple, not a chance. It was big. I mean, look around. You didn't tell me the whole village of Baldwin would be invited. But Shawn is a great listener and even a better counselor. Kaycee, she never has a bad day. These traits provide a great foundation for a successful marriage. And now, the first day of the rest of your lives together. To start our ceremony off today, I asked Shawn and Kaycee to choose a poem here at the beginning that symbolizes their relationship. Love is a temporary madness. It erupts like a volcano and then subsides. And when it subsides, you have to make a decision. You have to work out whether your roots are so entwined together that it's inconceivable that they should ever part. Because that is what love is. Love is not breathless. It is not excitement. It is not the promulgation of eternal passion. That is just being in love. Those that truly love have roots that grow towards each other underground. And when all the pretty blossoms have fallen off their branches, they find that they are one tree and not two. Ladies and gentlemen, that's what we're here to witness. The entangled roots of these two individuals that are about to join together as one united tree. Reaching for the stars together, sharing the same nutrients, weathering the same storms, growing together year after year. You will need each other as partners, as equals, fiercely honest with one another and fiercely committed to one another. You have to be both, honest and committed, because real love demands both. I want to urge you to hold on to that vision of your love. It's time to declare yourselves to one another. Shawn, will you take Kaycee to be your lawfully wedded wife from this day forward, through whatever challenges and triumphs life brings you? Will you love her, honor her, and cherish her and no other for the rest of your life? Kaycee, will you take Shawn to be your lawfully wedded husband from this day forward, through whatever challenges and triumphs life brings you? Will you love him, honor him, and cherish him and no other for the rest of your life? By the power vested in me by the Universal Life Church in the state of Wisconsin, husband and wife. Shawn, kiss your bride.